introduction to Problem Steps Recorder, also known as PSR. To access it, type in your search bar PSR, and you'll see that the psr.exe file will appear. A ribbon will then pop up, and this will help you record all of your steps. So click on Start Record, and you now are recording everything on your screen, all of the steps that are involved. In this example, I'm going to open up a browser, and I'm going to access the SacState website. Type in csus.edu, and the SacState site appears. I'm going to log into my SacState, and then I'm going to access Canvas. And as you see, all of the modules appear, including the one EDTE283, and this should be familiar. This is enough as far as a few steps just to demonstrate the capabilities of the product. So I'm now going to save this file. It'll be saved in a zip format. So for convenience, I'm just going to send it to my desktop, and I'll just call it CSUS test. And then it'll ask me if I want to overwrite an existing file, and I just say yes. So I minimize that. Now I go and search for that file. That's on my desktop. And you see that the CSUS test zip file. And as I open that up, it's an mhtml file. Once you open that up, a browser will open up, and you'll see that the end result is every step you took is now recorded. In this case, you'll see that I have two screens. I have a dual monitor setup, so it's recorded both screens. At the very end of the document, you'll see that there is a text version of every step. So you see problem step 1, problem step 2, and then a text version of everything that I did. So step 1, step 2, it recorded everything I did. To make this an editable document, go to File and then Edit as Word. Click on that, and your document will now open as a Word document. It is now editable. You can stick in any text you want, rearrange this information, edit it any way you see fit. So in this case, I've taken out some of the text and I've replaced it with my own. I can resize the image, which now is the first step that was recorded. As I go through the document, you can see that I can arrange this text any way that I want, resize the images, and as you see, as I scroll through the document, each step is recorded, and then each screen capture is presented to me, and I can edit these any way I see fit. As you see, I've gone to the SacState website, and it's recording all of my steps. So as I minimize this site, you'll see the Canvas icon, and you'll see the dashboard, which includes all the modules. And you can see that I can update this text, replace any text, highlight it as I see fit, delete anything I don't need, and you can take out all this additional text if you don't need it. Minimize images, update them as you see fit, and at the bottom of this document, all of this external information, you can delete that if you don't need it. And this information at the very beginning of your document, you can also delete that information if you don't need it. So here I just clean up the document. And this is a quick how-to manual. And you are done.